hear nothing but buzzing. That's what it is. The condenser's running, but the fan's not. Okay. Alright, so it's going to be a 45.5 capacitor. You can go to Ace Hardware and they sell these for like 30 bucks. This thing is super, super hot to touch. It's cooling! Sitting up here on the roof. Nice roof, right? Check out this. She is glad. So we got the air conditioning going. It's gonna be running the brush for this. And they have a leak up here. I'm gonna see if I can find it. It's gonna be a nail in the valley somewhere, or flashing. I'm seeing some flashing that's not done right. Look at that. I don't have any caulking with me, but I'm gonna hammer this back down. And I'm gonna look down the seam here and see if I can find a nail. Who knows? Look how much was clogged in the top of the vent here. There's more and I can't get to it. I can feel the heat coming out of this thing. Like just the dust. And that's how house fires start, people. That's what happens. Cindy! Oh my god! Oh god! This is my hand. This is all. Oh my god! I